Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is Man for Himself. If you like men's hair care, skincare, product reviews, grooming, fragrance, and videos like this, then this channel is for you. Please do press subscribe right now. I've made the wrong decision. It is so hot in here. It's kind of like summer outside and I've dressed for a kind of spring, maybe even an autumn. So excuse the sweaty lip. But today we are talking moisturizers. Now it has been a while since we've kind of like had a dedicated skincare video on this, but I thought that this video was perfect timing. I think that we're all kind of reassessing our grooming routines and kind of looking at the products that we're using and kind of thinking, you know, should we be using certain things? So I thought we'll go back to moisturizers. We'll start really at the start. A moisturizer really is based of two things, oil and water. And what they're supposed to do is to protect the skin, to lubricate the skin, and to soften the skin. Now, moisturizers are composed of emollients. Now, what emollients really are is they can be from plant oils, cocoa butter, shea butter, or petrolatum. But these emollients really are that protect, lubricate, and soften. Now, I should say, not all moisturizers are created equally. You can get ones which are very budget, but actually really do perform, and I've got some here. Then you can get other ones which are maybe more targeted towards skin types, and I will be doing a video on skin types about dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, normal skin, so don't worry about that for now. But really, the long and short of this is, yes, we need a moisturizer. Right, so when you think about skin, skin naturally produces something called sebum. Now, sebum is this sort of oily secretion. We get it in our hair, we get it on our face, but really what this does is, it is to protect the skin, but it's also to lubricate it. It keeps it waterproof, but throughout the day, like now, I am sweating so hard. It's really very hot outside, so I don't know why I've worn this, but throughout the day, we are naturally losing water in our skin, and that needs to be replaced. And the emollients in a moisturizer help to protect that skin and form a bit of a barrier so that less is lost and more is kept in. Now, I have witnessed at the gym guys who have finished their workout, they're getting ready, and you see them with like one huge tub of moisturizer. It's a body moisturizer, it might be something just off the shelf in a supermarket, which is totally fine. And they scrub it on, absolutely get it all over the skin, and then they're working it into their face. Now, that's not great. Now, it's not great because the skin on our bodies and the skin on our face is different, and our face needs different things. Now, you might be thinking, isn't it better just to moisturize rather than not? And yes, but you really need to focus on what your face needs. Is it anti-aging? Anti-aging isn't a thing, but it's about sort of making the most of the skin you have and also to protect it from the sun. Is it because you've got extremely dry skin on your face? Is it because you've got a slight shine? And it's about tweaking these little things in our moisturizers which help to get the most from them. Stripping back all the extras that you have and all the sort of serums and the things that might be put into moisturizers and the actives, and that's something we can kind of talk about. But the basics of moisturizers are that when you go in and you look in the supermarket, you will get some great brands. Some of the sort of favorite ones that I like sort of at the bottom of the tree in terms of budget, but certainly not in performance. I really like L'Oreal. Now, there's one L'Oreal Men Expert Pure Power I thought was amazing. I used that a lot in my early 20s, and I thought it was really great. And if there was nothing else around, I would still reach for it. Another great budget moisturizer. I say budget again, I hate saying this. Another great price point moisturizer is by Bulldog. Bulldog really are ahead of the game in research and development. They look to Asia for a lot of the sort of technology behind that. I feel like they're kind of ahead of us. And they create some really fantastic moisturizers for different skin types. This one is for oily skin. It's got witch hazel. It's also got, what else do we have in here? Sorry, willow bark, witch hazel, and juniper. This helps to reduce the shine. It's also lighter. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, I've got oily skin. I'm not going to put something else on. You still need to use something, but you just might want to look for something that is more like a gel consistency or a really sort of light cream. Also, in terms of how much moisturizer to use, you want to be using about a sort of 10p or dime sized amount, and then just work it in to the face. When you are applying a moisturizer, start in the center of the face and work out. Don't be bashing it on, be light. Your skin is gentle, your skin is thin on your face. Treat it with the respect. And there's also some sort of moisturizers that have got an SPF sort of put into them. I like to use an SPF separately, but again, an SPF is so important to protect from UVA and UVB rays. This one, Grey Tape by Elizabeth Arden, slightly more expensive, but it's got an SPF 35, PA+++. Also Murad, I think this is fantastic. Again, it's fairly pricey, but this has got an SPF 45, and that's broad spectrum, which means UVA and UVB. But sort of like just sort of moisturizer ones, check out Bulldog, check out L'Oreal Men Expert. Clarins, also great. You'll see with this, especially if you've got that oily skin, you'll see it is lighter with that blue, really easily absorbed. If you're using a moisturizer that is sitting heavy on your skin, is giving you shine, then it's probably not working well with your skin type. It doesn't mean that all moisturizers are gonna leave that with you. It just means that maybe you've not found the right one. See, super easy. Also, like this one is amazing, Clinique ID. I've got a matte base, and then I've got an active cartridge for fine lines. Is it fine lines in this one? No, it's texture, to even out the texture. I've really enjoyed using this. But there are loads of moisturizers on manfromself.com. Those are the moisturizers that I've used, I've reviewed, and I kind of say who they work for. Also Lab Series, another one, amazing. Their Max LS one, I used to really, really like. It was mattifying, it gave me really great hydration, but that will be on there too. I use very light, sort of gel-like moisturizers in the day because that helps to keep the shine off the skin. But at night, I definitely use sort of heavier and creamier products because I quite literally am just lying there. And at night, that's when your sort of skin starts to regenerate, it repairs itself, and you still do need a moisturizer. It is fine though, guys, to use the same one in the morning and at night, but just see how your skin feels as long as you are moisturizing. Really, the most simple thing on this is wash your face in the morning, done. We can go into cleansing in another video. After that, you want to moisturize. Moisturize to protect the skin, to lubricate it, to keep that hydration into the skin. It's gonna keep it looking and you looking and feeling good. No one wants tight skin. No one wants sort of really saggy skin. Do what you can. But thank you very much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this one. I will do the skin types article. If you fancied me sort of delving into how to tell your skin type and then sort of products you can use, then please do let me know. But this has been a very sort of, I say quick, this has probably gone on forever, but apologies about that. But thank you again. If you're still new to this channel, you're still wondering who I am, then hi, I'm Man From Self. I'm actually Robin. This is Man From Self. Please do press subscribe right now. The button is just there. So some more video suggestions there, a link to my blog, I'll send you to products, let's put you to moisturizers there, and my Instagram is up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.